Within Okta, switch to Classic UI. Click Add Applications. Click Create New App. Select Platform Web, and SAML 2.0 and then click Create. Fill out the app name and upload a logo and set your app visibility to your preferred settings. Then click Next. Enter the SSO URL. This will be your WordPress URL with SSO appended. Set an attribute to be released to use for your username. Make sure that the format is set to basic. Click Next. Select your preferred settings for this EZPZ app, then click Finish. Make sure you are on the Sign On tab of your new EZPZ application. Copy the Identity Provider metadata URL link. Within the EZPZ settings, enter your IDP name. Enter your Okta entity ID. The entity ID of your Okta IdP can be found in the metadata link from earlier. Paste the metadata URL link from the Okta SSO section that we copied earlier. Enter the attribute name that you had set up in Okta. In this example we used email. Then click Update Settings.